These are defensive cells in the epidermis of leaves of the plant Dieffenbachia. Their function is to discourage grazing. They can cause severe inflammation in the throat, hence a colloquial name, dumb cane, in areas where they're mistaken for sugar cane. The cell creates hundreds of sharp raphides packed into a vacuole. When the cell is damaged, it emits these needles over about 20 to 50 minutes.
Cardon cactus in the Mexican desert. They are angiosperms and reproduce sexually. In the desert, cacti minimize water loss by opening their flowers only at night and for a few hours in the morning. That creates a problem. Pollen is commonly moved by flying insects like bees, but most flying insects are not equipped to find a flower in the dark. So who will carry the pollen? Nectar-eating bats are the answer. They can find open flowers in the dark. The bat feeds on nectar from the flower, rubs against the flower's anthers, and accumulates pollen in its fur. While they use sound echolocation to find their way, these bats use their eyes and a good sense of smell to find the open flowers in the dark. At another flower, the pollen the bat is carrying rubs off on the flower's stigma. A bat is a homeotherm with a high surface-to-volume ratio. For its size, it uses a lot of energy just to live, and more if it is to reproduce. The sugar-loaded nectar in the cactus flowers is enough to keep the bat going, but a single bat will visit over 100 flowers in a night to get enough nectar. It is an example of mutualism. The bats make a living, and the flowers move their pollen.